So let me guess, you've seen the title of this video, and you now probably think that I'm another guy telling gamers to go and touch grass and do some burpees. And yeah, I get it. Like, I wouldn't want to do that either, but this isn't that. This is real evidence-based tips for gamers, like the kind of tips that will actually help you perform to a high level. So I'm Josh, and I'm doing a physio master's degree in the UK, and I've been gaming for years, like the proper gaming, the kind of gaming where you know what diff means, the kind of gaming where you've uninstalled a game at least twice, where sleep becomes almost negotiable due to expansions. I don't game as much as I do now, but I still get it. I'm still in that area. I'm not the outsider wagging a finger. And here's the problem. There's a lot of research out there that gamers need to know. Not the anti-gamer rubbish, but the go outside lectures. I mean, real peer-reviewed science, the kind which shows how sitting affects health and performance, why one gym session doesn't cancel out 10 hours in a chair, how exercise can improve your reaction time and attention, and yet nobody packs these for gamers to understand. So a bit about me, I thought I had the balance. I was doing the gym in the morning, and then in the evening I'd go and game. I rinsed and repeat that. I told myself I'm training, so it's good. Then I read the data, and the data called me out. Turns out I'm an active couch potato. If I got it wrong, how many other gamers are in the same boat like you? So here's what we're going to cover. We're going to cover stuff like the active couch potato paradox. One gym session doesn't cancel all sittings. Opportunity cost psychology in gaming. Also, why ranked anxiety makes people fear go into the gym. Why gym culture wires us to skip workouts. The aimbot protocol, which is going to be really cool. How exercise can improve your aim. And none of this motivational rubbish. I want to show you peer-reviewed studies. This isn't about quitting gaming. Gaming's fine. It's about optimizing the player, optimizing you with small evidence-backed changes, no life overhauls, respecting the grind. The first proper video is going to drop soon. It's about why I thought I had it right until the data kind of proved to me that I was wrong. So let's go and figure this out together.